Chuck.
Mom.
Chuck. Hey, Doodlebug. Chuck Weber. Do you want more? Hey, Mr. Destructo. Hey, look at me. Chuck. Mr. Mashed Potato Face. Chuck. It's like, Chuck. Hello. Chuck. Oh, that doesn't fit on that container. Chuck, you want more? Do you want more? Good. He dropped everything to do it. More. Good. You like taters. Yes. Okay. Can I get those off your mouth? Can you stand in one place? No? Okay. Bye-bye.